So, yeah. Hold up. Well, let me try to link it in the chat. Where's the chat at? Oh. Um. Yeah, that's the channel. Is that the channel? Yeah, that's the channel. And now I'm live on YouTube. Um I don't know where he is. Chat. Uh, okay. I don't know where he is. Wait, is it actually better? Like the quality is a lot different? That's stupid. How is my like okay, shouldn't my quality go down if I'm dual streaming? Shouldn't it like make the quality worse either on one of them or both of them? That's what Mr. Chicken was doing last time. I thought it was stuttering for him last time. Um, Let me finish this prompt. I don't know if I'm gonna really prompt it. Let me finish this prompt. Uh, yeah. Well, Razor, you're in America, right? I was just about to ask because yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I was wondering how you were doing. Wait, what part of Europe are you in? Because this might make a difference. If you answer in the same region as Mr. Chicken, that may be the reason. Jeff Bezos might just be upset with that. Oh, wait, where are you? if you, if I'm not doxing you, is Twitch allowed in China? Not that China is like all of Asia, but is Twitch allowed in China? Canada. What correlate? Yeah, I'm trying to think of a correlation between where Mr. Chicken is and where Razor One is. I don't. Yeah, yeah. Defiantly. Um, Currently, well, to answer your question, Razor, currently I'm sick. Um, Hopefully this pop filter actually like makes a difference so that you're not hearing all my like swallows and sniffles and stuff like that, and it's not too terrible quality. I don't know if I sound sick, but I'm sick. Um, Also, I think I'm just getting more consistent with coding, even though I didn't code. Did I code yesterday? I'm so sick, I forgot. I think I did. I think I did in the morning or something. I don't know, but I'm getting more consistent with streaming, which in, like also is making me better at coding. And I'm currently building this website right here. Let me link it. And I'm not done with it just yet, but it's coming along with the help of AI and Twitch chat. So yeah, yeah. But how you been? How you been? Um. mm, 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 mm. And for the for the cancel URL, I can just like duplicate this, duplicate what I'm making, and then just have one link back to the meal preps. That may be what. No, I think it is better to do this because okay, you know me, I'm gonna be like toying with like different like pixels and like making sure that it's like pixel perfect. It's gonna take forever, so it's just better to let AI do this stuff. Hopefully, it actually matches what I wanted to do. Let me close this out. Oh wait, we still have our refactor bet. Could this be a refactor stream after I get this done with no AI? Huh? Let's do it. I'm okay. Don't think that I'm a computer hacker. I am not good at. No. Hold up. Oh, let me charge this up. Oh no. I forgot. Actually, I forgot to press the canvas mode. So let's go ahead and code it. Bet. All right. So pages. I think I can close all this out for now. No, well, for now. All right. So pages. Index. Struggling. Hold up. Import React. Go ahead and let this be a that. Do it real simple and then export it. All right. Um, I mean, I can do that. What is that? Is that a TV channel? What the heck is that? Is it like America's Got Talent or like American Idol? Ooh, interesting. Or like The Masked Singer? Ooh. I don't know if my channel would allow that. Or they would allow channels to stream that. I don't know. Mm. Ooh, I could also. Well, I will. But let's add this to import success page. And then have that. Hello? Hello? What? Could refreshing be a thing? Did you have the page or the site on mute or the video player on mute by accident? It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. All right. So let's see what this looks like. Uh, actually, no. I was gonna like mess with the I'm not gonna use the testing thing anymore. What I was gonna do, styles. I was gonna use the test stripe key just to make sure that the success URL actually goes to the success page, but it goes to the success page. So whenever I'm done, I'll just replace the current one with the new one. Um. Oh, I'm still gonna have to open it up. Hold up. Firebase. Firebase emulator. What is it? Emulator start. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So, like, without making it go live, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start it up. How? This could work. What are you talking about? What? Oh, I was like, this is not the. Okay, so I have this. Um, I mean, since we're already here, let's swap this out. Uh, boom, boom. Stripe test key. And just do that. So whenever in MPV and what's MPV? I know what pop out chat is. What makes it better? So I think I might as well, because I'm not using the live key, so I think I'm good. Like if I go through, I'm just gonna keep on canceling. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. You know, I have an extension for that on Chrome. It's like this. It's a pop out player. It's like a picture in picture thing. But I'm not using the terminal. So um even then in this stream I'm going to be making new cloud functions. I'm going to use a cloud function for the email. Yeah, for the email. So it's going to run after that, I suppose, or some either after this function or before this function. So, uh where do I go now? I replace this with localhost. No. Localhost. The email is supposed to be after they pay. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. No. So, okay. It won't be in here. Instead, whenever. How would I do that? It won't be in here, but instead, whenever they go to the success page, then it'll trigger the webhook or the cloud function. Oops. Hold up. What would trigger it though? I'm thinking of the trigger. Like, what would Stripe will send? In the response, like right here or right here. Yeah, that's just a path. And that's why I was trying, like, I was thinking to do it so once they go to this path, like, if they go to this path, then to trigger it. You can configure webhook and dashboard to point to a new cloud function. That'll be your webhook that Stripe sends a request. Okay. Okay. I'm saying it like this because one, I've never done that before, but I'll try. Uh, wait, let me finish this thank you page first. Uh, oh, that's what I was looking for. So it is success. So once I do that, actually, let's change it to both. Oh no, it's not that. It's that. They have a webhooks page in there. Oh crap, where is it? What the heck just happened? They have a webhook page in the URL or in the dashboard. Uh, developers. Right here. I wonder if they make it really easy. I'll try to do this. I'm down for exploring it. Um, so whenever that happens, test. Uh, it'll send me here. Now, whenever I go back. What? Oh. What does that look like though? Oh. The problem is. The problem is I don't. But I can try. The goal is to understand it. So I may have to go ahead and redeploy this like do a functions only. Yeah. The problem is with that. Eventually, I will understand it, but like Mr. Chicken will get mad if I don't understand it like instantly. So like I'm down to try it, but it's gonna take a while for me. Uh, I think the confusing part is that when you feel like I'm not listening is when I'm trying to understand something. That's the disconnect. Hopefully this works. Like it'll start doing that or recognizing this. Why is this taking so long? Google, get together. And I can't wait for Google I/O. Not that I'm going or anything, but I was like hearing new things about Google Cloud. And it sucks because like Google is like the third biggest cloud, and it's the one that I use the most. And I wish that I understood Azure and AWS more, but Azure and AWS scare me as far as complexity goes. Firebase is just completely simple. So, okay, question. Should I stop using AI? What's the 17? What time is it? Your time, so I can do the math, or if you want to do the Central Standard Time math. Thank you, Mr. Chicken. Thank you. The thing is, why I use AI like in the moment is because it's instant. And with Twitch chat, there's a delay, and I don't want to put like the stress on you to just like keep on typing whenever I don't understand something. Like, okay, I'll try. I'll try. Is this a different link or a different function link now? Man, oh, that's the same thing. Okay, cool. All right, bet. So, with that being said, I'm gonna start using freeform then. Like whenever I want to like plan things out, I'm just gonna make boxes and stuff. So I'm not gonna have it closed anymore. Okay, 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 okay. Oh crap. Um. So let me go forward with this. Does this work now? Oh no. Where are you? Oh. All right. So let's try it. Oh. Huh? How's that still? That was weird. Uh. uh, 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 uh. So it'll send me to this. Okay. All right. Now that okay, now it does it. Okay. Sleep really is like the best form of like you're literally just like taking a step back, taking a break from stuff, and like you just come back with it with like a new like state of mind. It's great. It really is. Okay. So now that I have this, I'm going to import the style sheet. That's not it. That's it. Okay. So with dot success, is it a hyphen? Success page. Um, do I do that? No. What is the because I wanted to match um how this looks. Instead, what's the container? What's the background color? That, and also I'm gonna take this, have that in the border around it, and the border radius. I might as well just do the whole thing. Oh, that's why that looks like that. Oh, that makes sense now. 20px auto. Uh, let's do that. Okay, now for my max width, it says that, but do I want, is that changing anything? No. So what I just put width? 1440. I wouldn't put width. I would put max width because I have to think about mobile as well. Or I could put a I'll just leave it like this for now. But I could put a media query on it. Um so wait. Now that I have that, your operation was successful. No. You still print out like physical like papers? Uh uh I can't think about the last. I'll actually have to now for something like work related, but before I can't think about the last time that I've printed something out like physically. That's insane. Now everything is like PDFs and emails.
like using a printer is, I don't know. And the thing about it, like in the past, Xerox had like a monopoly on like the printer stuff. Now people don't even think about Xerox anymore. Uh, uh, okay, now let's do that. And print versus PDF versus print. Well, I'm thinking like in the like sense of like Xerox being at the forefront of like the technical world. At one point, Xerox was like it was like Xerox, IBM, General Electric, like those were like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia of their time. Now people, I don't know. No, I don't. Uh, yeah, I didn't think about it like that. The fact that whoa, the fact that um certain like the reason why things are at the forefront of their field is because people haven't figured out exactly how to like or what like the optimal build looks like. Yeah, IBM is more like software solutions and like cloud infrastructure and stuff now, right? And Watson and stuff like that. I wonder if there'll be like a superpower whenever it comes to like quantum computing. Um, I think you can send links. Also, um, does Watson count? Oh, Watson is their quantum stuff, right? About uh, let me not do that. Let's actually do catering. Uh, redundant power supplies, redundant hot swappable memory. Huh. Wait, are you talking about like on-prem stuff or wait, huh? Huh. Uh-oh. I bet. I don't need to do that. Uh, mm. Okay, okay. So basically, they're They're like, that's weird. So based not in like GPU terms, but like the same way that cloud providers rely on Nvidia, they also rely on IBM for cloud solutions and like infrastructure stuff. They're just basically like a supplier for cloud providers. There's that. After I finish everything I need to finish today, I'll check. Actually, let me pin it. Hold up. Because remember, I have to focus today. Even though I'm sick, I have to focus. I can go ahead and delete all of this. Okay. Um. Uh. What would that look like? Oh, so as I get deeper into that, what would that be? Intro section. Let's do intro section. Oh, okay. Let's just do it like that. I mean, is that how else would I phrase it? Oh, I need to make it a section, not that. Let's do that. That. Now, in success links. Whenever I do things like manually, I'm like really self-conscious about like the speed in which I do it. And I hope that the speed in which this looks like it's commented out and it's not. Oh, wow. The stripe allow that? Great. I haven't read the docs too well. So, does stripe allow that? Collect tips. Unreceipt. Oh. All right. Fine. I'm okay. I'm not gonna get sidetracked anymore. Hold up. I don't know. I can't tell the difference. Actually, it's pretty bad. So it's not a joke for us. Like, it's a living nightmare. Granted, you should tip, but like, it's bad. It's bad here. It's terrible. Really? Hmm. Oh. What is this at? Up. Well, why is that? It's saying, shouldn't that be an inline thing? You know what? Hello? Okay. These wouldn't be. Okay. Success links container, actually. And then for here, it would be, come on. I'm trying to think. Does McDonald's allow for tips? I'm pretty sure they don't, but I wouldn't be surprised if they do. At least in America. Would okay, like is it a like a an insult where you're from if you tip? Because I know in some places it's an insult if you tip. Now, if you ask for a tip, like probably not getting a tip. Oh. You haven't seen either? Man, everywhere we go, there's like a 10%, 15%, 20%. Actually, it's not even 10%. It starts at 15% and then it's 18 and then it's 20. Yeah, it like the lowest tier is 15%. How would I make this its own thing? Also, in me doing that, uh, what does that look like? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, hello. That's not taking effect. Oh. Success. H, is that an H1? H1. I'll go ahead and have the color be that with a side of that. Why is that not updating now? Success. Oh, whoops. When I say dare ask, yeah. If we're ordering on our phone, there's a suggestion. If we're ordering in person, there's a suggestion. Like, I think because I'm here and like it's just been my life, I don't view it as like such a crazy thing. But in other parts of the world, yeah, y'all, yeah. I can't even say that y'all think differently. It's America that thinks differently. Yes, they do. Yes. And if you don't tip, like normally people mess with your food or they won't deliver your food or they'll eat your food if you don't tip. That's very common. Like it's a known thing. If you don't tip the driver, the delivery driver, something's happening to your food. That's why I don't order delivery because it's just too much human interaction and I don't like things happening to my food. Hmm.
I'll try. I'll try to adopt it, but I don't know. Well, I think the logic behind it is like, which is kind of like, and maybe backwards, but like Americans know how hard it is to live in America. So the people that are doing delivery, like we know how hard life is or what kind of like situation they may be in. So like that lends to the over tipping culture. So like one, the threat of people spitting in your food. But like that's okay, Mr. Chicken, that's the real reason. But like the psychological reason is because like people are kind of in bad situations. So the tipping feature is really just to like help the delivery driver. Yeah. Well, the driver themselves aren't necessarily an employee of the restaurant. They're an employee of Uber, basically, or DoorDash, or whoever. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. If you only tip 15%, maybe something is happening to your food as well. Yeah. That's the thing. Oh, for waiters. Well, that's different because like you're in person and normally people don't do things to your food in person. Unless you're like a bad like customer and you're being rude to the waiters and the staff. Okay, something is happening to your food. That's understandable. Yeah. Huh. I'm still in my 20s, so like I my brain doesn't even go to like health insurance yet. So even though I have it, it's kind of like an understood thing because I have a job. But I forget that there are people that don't really have insurance like that. Yeah. Why would that not be a thing? Success links container? Would that not be looked at as? Huh. I guess I'll just put that on success links. Yeah. No, that's not a thing. What the heck? Is it? What the heck? I think in the future, like contract work is gonna be more and more. Even though it really is like prevalent in America, it's gonna be like kind of mandatory for people to have like either a side business or like contract work coming in for them to like live basically on top of them having a full-time job. I think that's not too far-fetched to say. What is this? So if I do that, it's still not okay. Something is wrong. Oh. That's probably why that was doing that. Now, let's look at it. And it's still not working. What the heck? Oh, look at this. Inspect this element. Because where... Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, cool. Then why do I have to put an important on that? There may be something else overriding it in the section thing. Why order twice? Mhm. I'm really just using it to like fill up space. There is a reason because like some people may interpret this as like being able to only um what the heck? Why is that doing that? Is it because why are they doing that? People may interpret that to be only like a option to do one at a time, even though you can do that. That's why two links. Let's go back. Oh, I did not notice that. What is that? Order. Oh, 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 oh. Sorry, I never finished it. Whoops. True. True. Really, my main thing now is to find out. Hello, Pixel. How you doing? How you doing? I'm currently struggling right now. Well, I don't know. I don't even know if I can say struggling. I'm working manually. Oh, Mr. Chicken, or Pixel. Are you experiencing buffering? You might. You might. Well, you got on to me about using AI. Hold up. You may suggest stuff that is not. Well, okay. And because you said that, should I not um have this be the first thing? Because these are also like. Well, on this page, I think I kind of have everything that I need. It's just a matter of like optimizing it for it to make sense. One, what I'm want to do now is have this be on its own line. But I need to find out which tag to put to make it do that. Would that work? No. I already tried that. And it didn't do anything. Should I title this differently? Like, it says thank you for ordering, but also like, should I title this differently? Because this is kind of the same thing. Ooh. What tag should I use here? H. Let's see what a H2 looks like. Not that I'm expecting it to make a new line. But I just want to see what it looks like. No. Actual. H3? I might as well just inspect it and try to see what. Oh, it doesn't? Wait. What? It's auto doing it. Yeah, it has to be closed, or else it's gonna throw an error. That's ESLint doing that. Is ESLint wrong? Do. Huh. Sorry. Would that be a bad practice? Because I thought about that, but would that be a bad practice to do? Like, okay, if I call this dot and just do this and take all these tags off, or do that, do that, do that. Because, okay, the reason why I didn't do it initially is because I didn't want it to be like divception. You know what I'm talking about? How like people like make divs and I didn't want to do that. But looking at it, like I'm realizing that I have a section, so I'm using semantic. I want to be big on using semantic HTML and using HTML properly. So a div suffices a lot of stuff, but like, you know. And please don't associate me with Twitter, please. Please. I'm not a bad person, please. What's STJ? Cut. Oh. Oh, something. Okay, okay. Now, there's this. Links container. Links container. Success links. Is the naming of this like wonky? I'm gonna change this to not say flex anymore. But instead, I'm gonna have this be flex. You can use other tags that are synonyms for div. I may start using section a lot. But if I just keep on making section, for semantics, you're rendering a list of links, but I see no. Oh, good suggestion. Also, welcome, Holy. Good suggestion. Cause like this is pretty swappable with div is pretty swappable with section. Oh, I may need to do that. Now, per Holy's suggestion, UL list times 3, and then I'll have to make it so that it's like the no list style thing. Let's do that. Oh, I don't think that I have that. Okay. So, wait. So this is that. Um, huh. I'm looking at this now. I could just transition this to be right here, right? And not even have a div. Okay, so now would it be to center this? Text align center? Yeah. Oh, maybe the margin. Wait. 20. Oh, no. That. It's not centering this. Okay. Unless you... No, I think I'll leave it like this. But then... to differentiate these, I'll put a border around each one of these links. That may be what I do. And then have them follow the same hierarchy as let me duplicate this to make more sense. Well, I don't have to do that. Like how there's this layer for different background colors, and then there's this final layer. I may just do that. And then have this be the background color and border of the links. But I'm trying to figure out how to center this stuff. Already have that. I'm with you, Pixel. But the problem is, I never get back to optimizing and refactoring things. And that's my problem. Because, like, once it works, this is why this file is so long. Once it works, it's kind of like, okay, or this file. I'm like, okay, well, on to the next thing. That's a bad, now that's a bad practice. Maybe. What's stopping that from being? Oh, oh, I have it in the wrong thing. Maybe that could work. There we. What is this again? H3. I don't want to do that. And I don't think I want to have a margin on there just yet. This needs padding. This needs... What's the hierarchy again?
It's it's crazy. I think I like styling a lot. It's just I've spent so much time on it. That's what I need to fix. Is spending so much time on styling things. But I think I like styling. There isn't like on first thought. I don't think there's a part of programming that I don't like. Nursery software engineering. Ooh. Oh gosh. So is this. Okay. Whoa, what is this? Padding? Bottom? No. Let's do 1 0. That may help. Let's not do that. I would ask to see it, but I don't want to put you on the spot. DM it to me. I want to see it. I'll view it off stream, but yeah. Now it's time to put that. Well, three actually. uh. Okay. I don't think I really want to do all that. Do that. Text decoration 9. On hover, text decoration 9. 9. Cool. Now, on these, I have a border of, like, is it white? Let's call it that. Because they all have the same border and border radius. Radius. Is it 6? No. 8. Now to add some padding to it. What does auto even mean? Like, no. Let's just say that. Let's see what it looks like. Is that not a link? Huh? You see 4? I see 3. Well. Oh, snap. Thank you, Pixel. I'm terrible. I don't even know. I think it's because did anybody see a notification pop up on the screen? Sorry. I really need to get in there and fix my notifications. I tried and I thought I did fix it. I tinkered with them once and now I just don't have notifications anymore. So that's my bad, but thank you, Pixel. Thank you. I don't deserve it. Oh. I was like, why is this not working? Hello? Okay. So it's not that. What's the other color? Border color. Is it for the section? Let's see what that looks like. That. Could that be made to look better? What would I use to make that pop? Pretty easy to use, but a pain to configure when they. Oh crap! I wanted to use Jekyll. Is Jekyll the same thing as Cypress? That's testing, right? Oh, because I know what the icon looks like, what the logo looks like, but I thought it was for testing as well, or the main thing was for testing. This is okay, I think. That's not okay. That is not okay. What is this? No overflow. Over text wrap. Text wrap. Wrap. That doesn't fix it? Wait. Or should I put it in there? White space? No wrap? Oh. But now it's not. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jink. Huh. Why are there so many tools with the name J in front of them? Because I've heard of all of them. Maybe I'm getting them mixed up. Padding. I'll add a margin to this because it's messing up. Or padding to the inside of this. Please. No. Let's do that. And instead, not have that be like that. There we go. There's actually, I was on my way back from work. That's the way to test things. That's how you do things. All right. But I was on my way back from work, and like in the city that I live in now, I don't listen to the radio, like the terrestrial radio. But there's like a radio station, and you know how like it's like K whatever. The radio station's acronym or whatever are my initials, like even down to like the middle name. And it was like, that's insane. But yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me pull it up. I haven't listened to it yet, but I may not like this. Well, I may like it. The frequency is this. Cause I'm a junior, so that matches up.
My middle name starts with an S. All that stuff. So yeah. I think this looks good. I'm just gonna leave this alone. Probably. Probably. Maybe this should be like my default whenever I get into the car. Just crank this up. Okay. I think that this is good now. Thoughts? Or at least like manageable. Will it? Oh gosh. Okay. Wait. Do I have a hard width on this? What's making this do? Is it the fact that display that's a thing? So what the heck? That's not even. Uh-oh. Maybe it's that. Yeah, it's that. I don't think I have to have these right here then. What is the alternative? Because I think that there's an alternative to that. It's like Overflow X or text Flex Wrap on the what's the hierarchy? Adding no Flex Wrap. No wrap. Do that. That is it. What? Okay. 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 You're lucky. What? Yeah, yeah. Play nice, Ever. Play nice. Oh, this is a positive stream. Uh, why are there so many? What? Why are so many emojis in my stream? This has never been an emoji stream. What the heck? Okay, because I have my first emote. Are there any emote suggestions? Whoa, actually, wait. I think I have it. Remember the clip that whenever I was learning Angular? Now that we have this done, I can take like a brief break. But there's this. What? Share no. This. Why is it not letting me do this? There's one.
I don't think this is it. I hate everything about Angular. I hate everything about Angular. Everything. Okay, that wasn't it.
Hold up. Let me search again. Hold up. Wait. Where is it? The heck? Oh well. I'll find it whenever I'm not streaming. And I'll get back to you. Hold up. But yeah, I'm gonna create another emote, but I'll find it. Looking at the clips of me with hair, like long hair. Actually, let me make a poll. How do you do this again? Uh oh, there we go. Scripting, I don't know. But to me, is this it? To me, this is back end. This is as back end as I get. All right. That would hurt. That would hurt, chicken, Mr. Chicken. That would hurt. Um, oh crap. My I'm live on YouTube, so that was probably copyrighted. I didn't know if this was a song. I've heard of them, but I didn't know if this was a song. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Uh where was I again? Oh, this is as back end as I get. This is my entire back end thoughts. 89.3, that's the frequency. Never forget. You know? Players mess up too. All right. So I think I'm good right here. To go back to this. No. Really? Fine. Fine. So I'm just bald and people don't like, oh gosh. I did not vote. Well, you know, Pixel, you sounding real American right now. Kidding, 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 kidding. Bot styles. What are bot styles? Um, Both. Okay, 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 okay. I think I just look more mature with this. Tomorrow I am buying a brush. I thought I already had a brush. I didn't. Well, I don't. But yeah. So now I'm making a failure page. In here I'm gonna make uh what is the thing again? Cancel page. Index. Uh really I can take this whole thing. No, I can't. I'm still doing it. Excuse me. You know, is that the math? Is it is it huh? If people have long hair, then they're doing well. Excuse me. Let me just wait. Uh, uh, what is this again? No. Is it that? Uh, no. There's something in here that lets me rename. I forgot the shortcut. Uh, replace all with something. Whatever. It's F2, but it's something else because I'm doing F2. Is it Control F2? No. Shift F2? No. Uh-uh. Go to references. Oh. Oh, that's 12. I've been thinking of doing that. But then that'll be something else to learn on top of what I already don't understand. So is it Shift Control D? Oh, wait. If I do that's not it. Is there any other success on this page? No. All right. I'll just do a link, actually. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh my God. I have. Okay,
I'll just let the Twitch chat just go. Okay, hold up. Let me catch up. Yes, yes. Actually, Mr. Chicken, you're actually underestimating how long it would take me to learn NeoVim. I'm not a shortcuts person. So like 7 streams. Nah. 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 Oh, welcome to the stream. ID or coder. Tell me which one you prefer. But let me show you my back end. This file right here, because I'm using Firebase. This file right here, all 90 lines here is my back end essentially. I'm using Cloud Functions, GCP to be exact. So this is basically my back end. I'm gonna have more functions, more I guess webhooks would be the word for it. I don't know, but it's all a learning process. So welcome to the stream. Buckle up, cause it's gonna be a boring ride. But yeah, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I've never heard of Marmite. Is Marmite new? All these shortcuts in my chat. I'm scared. I'm scared that, you know, I was accused of hacking earlier. Now I'm scared that with all these shortcuts that y'all have in this chat, that y'all are hacking. I don't understand any of that. Export. Sorry. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry for being sick. Okay. If that was like loud, I'm sorry. Oh, this sucks. I've been doing pretty well of like masking how sick I am. Nah, I'm messed up, man. I do whatever. All right. Wait. Hold up. Wait. Hold up. There's not any water in here. There's like this much water in here. Hold up. I'll be right back. I'm not gone. Hold up. Wait. Wait. All right. I'm back with water. Oh my gosh. Okay. They stopped supporting it. The team disbanded. I still need to make one. I'm taking all this and just slapping it in here and changing every instance. What is this again? Command F2. Command F2. Why did that not work before? Oh, wait. Maybe it was okay, because I was doing Command F2. Okay. Let me ask a question. Does it matter the order in which you like press the keys? Because I was doing F2 command. Does that matter? Oh. Okay. Okay. My bad. This is all a learning process. I need to add. I have too many tabs open now. I need to add. Please. Cancel page. Is that a thing? Cool. Now I have this done. I have. Are these the right links? No. About meal prep. Let me make something else for this. That works. Yeah. Okay. I can close that out now. And close that out too. I can close all these out. Oh. Well, get some rest, some good rest, some quality rest. Because apparently in my Discord, people have a tough time sleeping. So get some good sleep. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing as well. I don't deserve it, but thank you for being you. And have a good night. Have a good night. Until next time, sometime soon, hopefully. I say hopefully because who knows when the next time I'm streaming. It's always just a toss up. Welcome back, Ever. Welcome back. Nah. Oh, that made my day. Thank you. Thank you. I only hope to be as good as y'all are at programming. I really do. I really do. And also not to have a boring stream, but eventually we'll get there. Oh, really? Wait, do I have the launcher still on this? I do. I need to update it. Hello, Emil. How you doing? Am I pronouncing that right? Emil? Why is that not opening? Oh. Oh! Oh! Pixel, if you're still here. Didn't they come out with Unity already? They came out with Unity. It was pretty popular on Twitch. Okay. When I'm not streaming. Have you tried it yet? Also, Emil, thank you for joining. I hope to be good at programming, at coding. But I'm making a catering website right now. But you can view it currently at this URL. And it's not the greatest yet, but it will be. You just have to have faith. It will be. Cancel. My syntax is pretty bad though. But yes, success is done. I'm filling out the cancel right now. And I'm changing everything around. Uh um um yeah. This okay, I'm not dealing with this right now. But Pixel, if you're still here, thank you and get some good sleep. Um where's thank you at? Order canceled. If you have any questions, please connect. Cancel. Wait. Let me change that too. Cancel. Because it isn't factored in. Cancel page A. That. And cancel page A. None of these links do that. So I'm not going to add that color right there. Not going to do that either. I don't think it works like that. Hopefully it doesn't. Because when I press the back button, it's canceled. So, oh gosh. Okay. This is what I want it to look like as far as this top section goes. Now, I'm going to leave this right here the same. Should I leave the whole thing the same? What? What? This may just be good like this. Oh gosh. There isn't a spell check in here. Okay. Let me Google this. Does cancel have 2 L's? This is AI. I'm not trusting this. This is another AI overview. While both cans are acceptable for the past tense of canceled, the version with 1 L is more common in American English, and the version with 2. I think y'all know which one I'm going with. I think y'all know which. Oh, yeah. So now this is done as well. Now what's next? Because this is done now. I need to change the function too. To change it to both. In that. Oops. There. Now, all I have to do is do that just to make sure that I have it live. Oh, thank you for subscribing, Emil. It means a lot.
I stream regularly. I'm thinking of making shorts as well, but that's in the works. I'm gonna get back to making videos, but regardless, I stream on both Twitch and YouTube. So yeah, thank you. If I contact you, how will you know which is my order? That's next. That's next on the thing. Please. This didn't quit. What the heck? Anyways. There's a wizard. He sits in the back end and just guesses who you are. I'm confused on the last two messages, Mr. Chicken. But this is where the webhook happens. Oh, I think I'm gonna start doing more regular, like at the same time that I do Twitch, I'm gonna start multi-streaming on YouTube as well. So they're gonna be synonymous. Just giving y'all more choice on which platform y'all choose to view on. Quiet is kept. The YouTube is just as like not chat wise, but like viewership wise, is just as active as the Twitch one. And I support your decision. Ever. Here. Okay. I can cancel this or close this out. This is the tough part. Whenever someone has a success, it's like it's sporadic. It's sporadic. So I don't know what to tell you. Was me watching like it? Truly, I don't know. I'm not sure. Honestly, my viewer count is so low, I don't really think it even matters. Well, which URL are you using? I think if you're using like the Twitch URL, then you count as a viewer. I think. I think I get into docs whenever I try to do this. Or at least, let's try to do this. Endpoint success? Would this be where I do that at? Or does, then I'll keep the page open. There's some AI endpoint on the Twitch page. Twitch does use IRC, don't they? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. And then YouTube uses something else that's not IRC. What? Oh, snap. Which URL would I use for this one? Oops. Would it be this one just to like check? Or ooh. So this does exist. It'll be well. I guess I'll test in here. This is a sandbox, right? Use CLI. Download the CLI. It'll be a cloud function. So it'll be another one of the. Where does it stop at? Okay. So it'll be another one of these. It'll be export Stripe webhook. Let's not call it that. It'll be Stripe um email customer. Uh what the heck is this? I'm just re That doesn't look trustworthy. I don't think that really knows what I want to do. Uh oh, it's not. Download the CLI. Try it online. Uh, P Mac OS. Am I doing the right thing? Crap. Unzip it. That's not it. Run that. Okay. What? Maybe I downloaded the wrong one. Which one did I download? What's up? So if I run this, so if I run this command, I should be good. Again, just rerun it. Nope. Crap. Well, only in that directory. So should I change? Oops. So should I move this into my local? If you want global, then you need to copy like the docs say. Works. Install a script. Install. I guess I just move it. Copy. And then I make this.
I don't understand it. So do I CD? What? I'm confused. What is this? Before using the CL, man, I tried. Hold up. Okay. I guess I'll close this out. Before using CLI, you'll need to do this. Let me try using the $sign. What? Okay, what am I not? This isn't as user-friendly as y'all think it is. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's weird. Why would I have to do ./Stripe? Huh. Uh. Huh. Would I be DDoSing myself if I... Wait a minute. To access... Well, I kind of already leaked it, so, I mean, have fun, but... Like I said, if you want to just type Stripe, you need to move it so you can access it globally. Question. Would I move this into here to access it globally? My code. It said like an this. My pairing code or whatever. Well, there's another code. Well, I'm just leaking all types of stuff. Where? In this. Oh. Echo $sign. Oops. Jeez. This seems recursive. Like it just keeps on. So I guess it would be on the user one. this one. Right? Oh, crap. Huh? Where would I access that at? This USR. Just use a command line. Hold up. Term. Oh. Let me copy that. Oh, I do it here. Permission denied. Oh, that's why I need to do a sudo. Is it CP sudo or CP or sudo CP? Okay. Did it work? Am I in here? And then Stripe login will just work now. So, do I just leave this alone now? Okay. Remove the whole. Okay. Okay. And for my users folder, thank you for reminding me. Okay. I think we're good now. Thank you. It was a tough process, but thank you. All right. So now that we're in here, I've already triggered this. Access granted. I may now. So I'm logged in, right? Login. Yeah. I'm logged in. Access now granted. Okay. Type which Stripe? Don't think we can see the pass. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It's gonna be those little circles anyway, so I don't know. So with account that, please note. Okay, from here, let's go back to the docs. From here, please enter. Cool. Now, I don't want to do that. Optional. Use the API key to specify. Go back to the webhooks page now. Oh, this is done. Okay, cool. Is this the right one? Oops. 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 Okay. I post this in my this. Would I change any of this? This is cool to use. Oh, so I'm on the right track. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So I listen at What port would be optimal to use or to listen at? Or with this webhook right here, would this match what this is? So I would change it to 4,000. Where did this? I'm so good at programming. Oh, I feel so good. Okay, cool. Now let's think about this. I'm trying to check. Oh, I can just check right here. 4,000. And I'll never forget that I wouldn't be so good in this moment right now if it weren't for y'all. Never forget that. Never forget that. Okay. You are using Stripe API version blah blah blah. You're well put. Well, okay. That got leaked. Okay. So whenever I do, okay, I'm not gonna trigger it right now, but I need to have something in here that says, wait, give me a second. I'm not gonna break my concentration, but I do need to be right back. Use the little boy's room. So give me 90 seconds. I don't know. I'll be right back. Yeah, hold up. Okay, wait. Y'all see water? Okay, cool. Just make sure. Let me be a good influence and to remind you whenever you go to the bathroom, wash your hands. Okay, cool. Hold up, be right. Yes, it's dry now. Yet it's dry now. Yes, I own towels. What? That would take too long. No. Sorry. All right, that was a good one, Ever. That was a good one. Oh. Okay, so in here, would I even have all this stuff, or would I? Is it the wrong port? Am I at the wrong port? Why am I at the wrong port? Wrong port. You're saying wrong port. 4,000. That's the. Oh. So what I. Oh. What would I do now? Now that. Do I just type this back? No. How would I do this now? Oh. C? Hmm, that's not it. What the heck? Control C? No. Oh, control. Or that C. Okay. I was doing Command C for some reason. Okay. So restart the pro. How much of this do I have to restart? Cool. Now I just. Oh gosh. Now enter. Yes. Yes. I don't know why I'm taking this off stream. It's in my console. Is this right? Okay. Um, I copy that. I do have a question about that though now. You said that it would be wherever my emulator is running, right? But my emulator is running at 4,000. Oh, so not the main emulator, but oh, okay. Because I was interpreting the emulator to be like the home emulator, not. I was interpreting it to be this, and then like if I put 4,000, it would just go to whatever it needed to go. I didn't think about that. Okay, okay. Um, so I do that now. Do I start a new terminal or? And before I do, dang it. Do I CD the stripe again? Oh, this is global now. Sorry. Okay. I don't have anything in here, so it won't say anything. Uh, what do I put? I can't put a console log, can I? Because it's not gonna like do that. No.
What? Okay, cool. So, okay. Now I'm doing this. Setting up fixture, payment intent, running fixture for payment intent. Let's check in here. What did this do? Initialize. Yeah. Is it log then? We have to do that full path. What's the which logs? This one's? Where's the function thing at? Whoops. You have to do the full path and not just that. Oh, okay. So I start a new terminal again? Oh, then what? This is a lot. Not a lot, but you know, you get it. Forward to, now I go to this whole thing, right? And now, did it work? Oh! Okay. It's locking the whole thing? Oh, that's what it's doing. Okay. So really, I can just set up the email now, right? For details of each thing in the JSON, look at the docs. Really? For this cloud function, I don't think. Well, maybe I would use the email that's provided. Oh, no. Do I have? Am I sending that? I'm sending that. Thank you for joining. Thank you for you know, sitting through all my mess and everything. I'll be streaming again shortly. But still, thank you. And have a good night. Have a good sleep. And I'll see you very soon. Awesome. We're all learning. Chicken is learning patience. Uh I'm learning just everything. So yeah, it's all a learning experience. In here, where were? No documentation. Okay. Endpoint Good night. Good night. Good night. Create an event destination to receive. Add in. Oops. After you register a webhook endpoint, Stripe can push real-time event data to your application's webhook endpoint when events happen in your. Okay, so events like checking out and stuff like that. Stripe uses HTTPS to send webhook events and include. So all this stuff would be in here, right? Where would the email be? Oh, is the metadata populated? Oh, I can't see. Oh, here it is. No. Huh. 2,000. Hold up. What? When you create a webhook in Stripe, it'll give you a secret, and whenever you receive a webhook request, you will receive a signature. You need to verify that. I think it explained it in here. But thank you. That proves that the request from Stripe and not some random person. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Later. Good night. If you're not going to sleep, but still thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And thank you for being you. Truly. I know I stress you out a lot, but you mean a lot to these streams, Mr. Chicken. So thank you. Thank you. Let's try to figure this out. Receiving one events. Such as okay. Okay, you can also receive no. Get started. Let's look at this process again. When I do that, is the secret right here? Is this the secret? Okay. No. Yeah, I think that's the secret. It's essentially the secret for this transaction. Okay.
Nah. I'm struggling to like understand why I would move forward with building out anything with Stripe at this point. Cause like this is set in stone. Now I would, at least in my mind, I would go here and build out emails. Let's go like something like this. We can build that out later. That's not it. It's just the secret. Huh. Or at least to have the email that's being sent with this metadata. Okay. Hmm. Only posts. No, no, no. Data. Where is data coming from? Equals request dot body. So I'm posting that to the body. I should only do that. Huh. Okay. Dot. Undefined. Okay. So if I I'm not getting that from that. Would it be crazy to... No, it has to be outside of that. How would I pass that data in? Let me think about this. Mm, 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 mm. So boom. Webhook is called, right? It succeeded. Cool. You should configure with your accounts. So Stripe, const Stripe. So Stripe. Oh, I'm using. Let's just do that. Const Stripe. Const endpoint. Whatever. Huh. So this is your Stripe CLI endpoint for testing your endpoint locally. So I would post it here. Essentially have that's already abstracted away. Stripe signature. Stripe signature. I guess I would copy that. I'll comment this out. Now, copy this. Then try. Oh, is let even a thing? Oh, yeah, let is a thing. Let event equal that. Now, construct. I'm doing everything, okay? Okay, so to just keep it simple, I'm gonna console. No. No. I'm gonna comment whatever. That doesn't really make any sense to console log that because it's gonna be the same thing as I have before. And then in here, do that. In that case, I'm not really handling any other cases. Okay. So from here, then define and call a function to handle the event. Hello. Let's try it again. Something didn't happen. Check dashboard for event details. Check my dashboard 33 seconds ago. Let's go back to webhooks. Nothing's in there. What can I do with that? Or whatever that says. Let's try it again. And see what happens. Logs. Okay. What am I not understanding about this? Because let's just say done. Maybe I'm doing this in the wrong. Oh, wait. Is this a thing yet? A function yet? It's not. So let's do that. This may take a while, but it'll add a little bit of consistency to what's going on. May have to try it on the main site too. Where is this again? No, that one. I have to wait for that. Just think about this. If this doesn't work, then what exactly? So this would be this right here. So then it would be Like, event. What's my code say? Let event, but event equals webhooks construct event. Is there an endpoint for construct event created? No. Type no. Okay. Created. No, those are accounts. That's account stuff. Would that be it? Oh, wait. So there isn't a webhooks one, so that, okay. No. Okay. I'm not using invoices. This is a part of what? Types of events. That's the same thing. It's the same thing. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get all... Oh, what's up? Hey, Dev. How you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna have to get off. I may come back on. But I have a phone call right now with the chef of this, so we'll see. But yeah. This was interesting. Okay. So I'll be back on soon. I don't know if I'm coming back later today or tomorrow, but thanks for watching and later.